after neto, Eren, you have lollipop from mommy. Okay?
You can give me.
Okay, give me daw, sabi niya. Atat na ang bigay. Ngayon naman po ay logical thinking dot to dot. So, uy, ano yan? Ano yung dot to dot natin, baby? Marami po siyang notebook from mommy. We have... Yeah? Ngayon naman daw, mag-crayon naman. Ang request ng baby Eren natin, kasi kahapon, more on, lining kami ng mga shape. Ngayon naman po, magko-color kami. Hi, Ate Jem. Magko-color daw po si Eren. Ayan. Kasi, medyo na-boring siya kahapon sa lines. Ayan. Marami siya kukulayan. What's this, Eren? No, wala mo ng dino. Ito kasi, ayan, yung ballpen na babasain niya. So, hindi naman siya masyado matututo dyan. So, magka-crayon muna tayo, baby kong mahal. Give to mommy this one. Ito po ang kukulayan ng baby Eren natin. Papalo daw niya itong kulay ito. What's the color of this?
The yellow.
Oh, how about this one? How about this one, baby? This one?
Yellow.
This one? Ayan. Umpisahan na daw niya. Ito, this one, baby. What's this? What's the color of this? What's the color of this? Blue. Ayun, hawak na pala niya ang blue and yellow. Go! You can do it, baby. Yan. Kailangan po, hindi ganyan ang proper na hawak. Di ba, mami, teach you already? Oh. Naayos, ha? Maglagpas-lagpas. Para may lollipop ka mamaya. Pag paglagpas-lagpas yan, wala kang lollipop. Ayusin ang hawak. Dito muna tayo. Here muna. Ayusin ang hawak. Yan. Very good. Go, go, go. Kailangan puno to baby ko, ha? Puno yan.
What's the blue? That's the blue.
Oh, this is the blue. This is purple. Kailangan gayang-gaya to, ha? Go, go, baby. Isa lang muna. This one muna. Ganyan, oh. Buo. Dali, baby.
Yay!
Meron pa, baby. May nakita kasi namang space namin. Very good. Later, after that one, you have lollipop to. Yay! Okay sa si mami. Bati na tayo. Sige na. Don't remove this. This blue one na. Ayusin, the right hand, baby. Here muna. Go.
Yay!
Not yet done. Look at this, oh. Ayos ang hawak yan. Yan, baby. Go, go, go. Ay, ang galing. Very good. Sabi ko sa'yo, meron tayong pag nandito si mami, meron tayong time to learn. Diba? Pagpapal...
Water?
Yes, the water. Kasi pag... Lapas, baby. Ayusin mo, mahal ko.
Yay!
Oh, meron pa, baby. Ito pa, this one, oh. Kailangan lahat. Hold that. Yeah.
Sipaw, yellow.
Oh. Kaliwat kanan talaga ang baby ko. Here. Kailangan, di ko makita ito. Kailangan lahat yan blue. Go, 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 baby, mahal. Ayan. Yan, go. Yan. Ayun, baby ko. Oo, diba? Si mami, nilagpas-lagpas. Ikaw naman. Go, go, go.
Yay!
Not yet. Ayun pa, oh. Head pa, oh. Kailangan walang makita si mami na white. Kailangan...
Yay!
Later, mag-yahi after. Oh, ito pa, baby. Oh, may white pa, oh.
Yay!
Not yet done?
No, finish this. Yay!
Ay, ito pa, oh. May straight, may white pa. Kita sila.
Yay!
And then the yellow. Marami pang white yung yellow. No. Kanan. Ayusin ang hawak. Ayan. 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 Hawak mo maiging mahal ko.
Yay!
Ito pa, pa, may white pa dito, oh. Tingnan nga natin kung very good yan.
Yay!
Puro ka naman yay. Ito pa, may white pa, baby. May nakita pa si mami.
Okay, we finish.
Finish. Patingin nga. Tingnan nga daw natin.
The paper
Oo.
picture.
Wow! Yay! Kiss mami.
It's the whale.
Lagpas-lagpas naman.
The whale.
Yes, it's a whale. Oh, next.
It's the whale.
Oh, this one. What's this? What's this, baby?
The octopus.
This one? No. This one. What's this?
Crab.
A crab. Okay. Follow this color. Oh, get the color. What's the color of this?
Red.
Oh, get the red one.
Okay, this one.
Yeah. Ano nga ba? Hindi alam ni mami ang red. Turo mo nga daw. Bigay nga kay mami kung ano yung red dyan. This one. Yeah, very good. Oh, right side, diba? Oh. Yan. Ganyan ang proper na hawak, baby ko. Galing-galing naman ang mahal ko, oh. Go, go, go. Kailangan walang makita si maming white, ha? Huwag lagpas-lagpas. Ganyan, oh. This one, here.
Green.
Inside the circle muna, baby ko. Kahit makatatlong ano lang tayo. Ay, have white pa, oh. Mami, don't want to see white color, eh.
Yay!
Oh, shade mo lahat, baby ko.
Yay!
Puro ka naman, yehey. Eh-excite ka sa lollipop, eh, ah. Kasi, ang era natin, pag very good, meron siyang lollipop kay mami. Oh, ayan ba ang right na paghawak?
Yay! Done now.
Not yet done.
Not
I saw white, white color.
Done now,
Oh, shade,
done now,
shade, baby.
done now. Done now.
Done na daw. Not yet done. Patingin nga. Oh, hindi pa nga eh. Meron pa dito, tsaka dito, oh.
It's a giant crab.
Yeah, giant crab. Go, 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 baby. Kailangan lahat red.
Yay!
You did it? Tingin nga. Kung very good.
It's a giant crab.
Oh, yeah!
It's
Ang galing na talaga ng baby
Big
namin.
salt.
One more. What is this?
What's a short good octopus?
What? What is this?
Octopus.
Ha?
Octopus.
Octopus ba? Wow, octopus nga. O, sige nga. Follow the color. What's the color of the octopus? Ay, wiwi mo daw muna. Excuse me daw muna, madam. Evan's wiwi. Ayan, marunong na siya mag-isa. Ang galing ah, marunong na mag-isa. Very good. Hindi na daw siya nagda-diaper eh. Yay, done na. Very good.
This one.
Oh, this one. Oh. What's the color of the octopus, baby?
Blue.
Blue. Oh, the right hand, not left. Ayusin ang hawak ha. Ganyan, di ba? Ang sabi ni
This
mami.
one.
Go!
This one.
Oh, go the baby. Pangatlo na yan. Go, 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 mahal. Ay, ang galing naman. Ay, ganun na naman ang hawak. Ayusin dito nakatingin pag ikaw mag-lesson.
Crab.
Oh, sige na. Love na.
Okay.
Una utuin sa
Okay,
namin. Finish the octopus.
what's that?
Hmm?
And down. And there.
No. Here. Dito ka mag-focus. Kailangan finish yan, ha? So, sabi mo sa kanila, hi everyone. Hi everyone. Sabihin ng baby Irene. Ay, ang ganda ng octopus, ha?
Gonna.
Not yet done. Ay, nakikita pa ni...
Fish tanks.
What is this? The tentacles. How many, baby?
One,
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 ba? Oh, count nga. 1,
2,
3, 4,
5,
6.
6. Oh, it's the door. Okay, we go house.
Finish, baby ko.
We're going to hunt the house. Oh, house. Oh, we did it!
Oh, finish the color blue. Kailangan matapos, ha? Very good kailangan yan, ha? Lagpas-lagpas na, oh.
Ah,
Oh, di ba may... Tingnan mo yung uso ni, ni octopus, oh. What's the color?
red.
Oh, get the color red.
Is this?
Mm-mm.
It's not.
Where's the red? Hindi yan, sa right hand. Right hand. Ganyan bang hawak? Oh.
Right? That's all right. Then go for... Oh, let's kiss.
Yes. Naku, may pakis-kiss pa ha. Mamaya tayo mag-kiss. Oh, tapos di ba yung pisngi niya may red din? Oh. Teka muna, baby ko.
There was baby octopus. There's a baby octopus. The baby octopus. The baby
Yan,
octopus. Oh, so cute.
So cute, di ba?
It's so small.
Not yet done for the blue. Shade all. Ayusin, baby ko. Ganyan, oh.
Okay. Ouch.
Ayusin. Hindi ka nang hawak.
Ow!
Ayan. Hawak maigi.
Okay.
Not yet done. Yung mga,
Dana!
mga galamay niya.
Dana!
Not yet done, baby. Tingin? Patingin? Asus!
It's like wow.
Very good. Sige na nga. Good lang to ha. Hindi to very good ha. Lagpas-lagpas oh. More? Want more?
No, Dana. Oh.
Oh my gosh. What's this?
Those eggs. Whoa.
Oh, what's this?
That's the eggs.
Oh, what's this?
This is the eggs. There's eggs.
Yes.
The eggs.
Hindi yan egg. Ano yan, pearl. What's this?
The egg.
What's this? Shell. Shell.
So, at the egg.
Sige na. Color the shell.
The eggs. The egg.
Oh, get the blue one. The color blue again. Oh, right hand. O, ganyan bang hawak?
Mommy, wab.
Oh, lablab daw muna uli.
Go.
Lablab daw muna uli kami.
Go.
Ako magko-color, hindi. Ikaw nag-aaral, hindi naman si Mami.
Sit down.
Dito ka mag-sit sa chair mo. Go to your chair. Ayan. Ayusin, ha? You can do it, baby.
Okay, Joba.
Not yet done.
No, it's
All
not.
here.
This one.
Here.
This one?
Oh, ito pa, may white pa, baby.
Mommy, wab.
Ito po, mamaya tayo maglalaw.
Mama. Oh, the what?
Sige na, finish na this one, baby. Sit down to your chair.
This.
Come on. Yung kalabi. Oh, meron pa ako nakikitang white.
Wab. That is good.
Hindi yan blue. Oh. Here pa, oh. May white.
Okay, yellow.
Oh, get the yellow one.
This.
Right hand. Yan, very good. Ayusin, ha? Kailangan wala lagpas. Kailangan very good. Go.
Yay!
Patingin. Oh, next. Anong color nito? Brown. Get the brown. Right hand.
That's yellow.
Right hand. Ganyan bang proper hawak? Ayusin ang hawak. Oo. Titingin sa iba, mag-focus sa ginagawa.
The cow.
Next. What's the color of this? Orange, di ba? Oh, get the orange. No, not brown. Get the orange, the crayon orange. Oh, alisin mo na to. Oh, right hand. How to use the color, the crayon? Ay, na.
This. Dana.
Not yet, baby. Huwag silip sa camera.
Dana.
Patingin? O yun, marunong na. Hindi ka na lumalagpas.
Joba!
Patingin nga. Uy, pa-very good ang baby era natin. Look at this! Wow! Excellent!
Aquarium.
What's this pala?
Aquarium.
A shell.
A shell.
This is a pearl.
A cat cake.
Pearl.
Pearl.
Very good. Tingnan mo po yung unang gawa ng baby Aaron natin. The
A wheel.
wheel. Next.
A crab.
A crab. Lagpas-lagpas.
Octopus.
This is the octopus. Pasahol ng lagpas.
It's
But this is
yellow.
very
It's a
good.
grandma.
Next time mag-ano naman tayo, ha? Yes, the color. Next time mag-ano tayo, ha? Magwa-watercolor tayo.
Oh
Ha?
my, that can be shell over there.
Oh, next.
Crab.
Oh, what is this? A coral.
What's the white?
Oh, what's the color of the coral?
What's happening? A white.
No, this is a color red. This is a color red.
What's that white to do? It's a white.
Oh, what do you want? What?
That's the one the purple.
Next, starfish naman daw tayo.
A purple.
Not yet done ka, ha? Huwag mo na magpe-play. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Oh, what's the color of this starfish?
Orange.
Okay, get the orange. Get the orange. Get the orange one. Oh. Oh, sa left side ba? Right side. Right side. Oh, how to use? Oh, very good na yan, me. Dali, para mayroon tayong lollipop kay mama. Dali. Go, baby. Go, baby. Oh, di ba sabi ko magpo-focus sa ginagawa? Hindi ko saan-saan tumitingin. Oh, dalian mo, ha? Naiinip si mami. Gusto ko makita ang resulta.
Rub.
Ay, mamaya magla-lab. Puro tayo lab. O, sige, lab. O, tapos sit down to your chair. Aray ko. Tingnan mo naman. O, lab daw ulit. Okay? O, sit down na to your chair. Aray ko. Ay. Ha? Dali. Last one na to, promise. Then we will get na your lollipop. Ayoko ng lagpas.
This one.
No, orange muna first. Di ba orange si starfish?
This one.
Go.
My rub.
Next, what's the color of this?
Wow.
This one?
Yellow.
Oh, get the color one.
Oh no.
Ano color to, baby? What's the color of this? What's the color of this? A purple. I'll get the purple one.
This one.
No, that's not a purple. Get the purple.
This one.
Yan, very good. Oh. Use your right hand. Use your right hand. O, ganyan ba?
This one. This one.
Oh, yeah.
No, this one.
No, here. This one. Talo, mami. Talo, mami. Go. Huwag lagpas-lagpas, ha? What's the next one? What's the color of this?
Oh,
This one? What's the color?
seaweed.
Oh, what's the color of the seaweeds?
Green.
Color?
A green.
Oh, green. I'll get the green one. Get the green one.
This one. This one.
Get the green one. Oh. Use your right hand.
We call it this one.
Oh. Mamaya tayo mag-play, ha?
Oh, do I have to do it?
Yes. Get the color blue. Oh, last na yan, yung blue.
No, give me.
Get the color blue. Hindi niya ba hawak?
Dana.
Ayusin na hawak. Not yet done. Silip ka pa sa camera.
It's in the water. What is the ocean?
Yes.
It's in the water. It's in water. Adana.
Makikita yan sa water. Patingin nga kung anong itsura ng finish. Let me see. Wow! Very good. Ma, oh. Ma. Oh. Siya.
Shucks, ikaw!
Hindi, sa gilid ko lang. Ito, tinag... Oh, sa lahat yan, ma.
Galing na.
Pero yung, yung una niya, lagpas. Very good na. O, sige na, pagod ka na. Nakaano tayo? Nakailan tayo? Nakailan? Oh, what's this, baby? Wait, 1, crabs, 2, octopus, 3, shell, 4, 5. Naka 5 ang baby Aaron natin. Ito yung una niyang work.
Tama lang yan.
Good lang. Pangalawang work niya. Good ba yan?
Okay, what?
Good. Sige na nga. Good na nga kahit bad. Pangatlo. Ay, nako. Logpas, baby. Not good. Not good, ha? Pang-apat. Uy, good na siya. Pang-5. Very good!
That's a purple.
Yay! Oh. Mamaya naman, ha? O, sige na. You're done. Very good. Dahil dyan, magbibigay si Mami ng... Saan na?
Candy!
Bibigay si Mami ng...
Candy!
This, Aaron?
Candy.
What's this, baby? Lollipop! Mamaya
I
ulit,
have
ha?
something for you!
Dahil dyan, sandali. For you.
Surprise.
Yay!
Open.
O, mamaya uli, ha?
Open.
Very good.
What's the princess?